cannot deny this love. There comes a time in one's life where you can't deny this love. Love has an energy, a power, a strength, a resonance, a footprint. Where love has passed will forever be noticeable. When love's warm embrace engulfs your presence, it activates all that is dormant within you, cracks open all the walls of protection that were raised due to past hurts and painful experiences in this life. When love shows its presence, there will never be any doubt in you that it passed your way, or those around you that have seen it pass, because it leaves a scar that lasts forever, turned you into a catalyst of its multiplication factor. No one can ever deny that love lives here. When love has passed your way, you know, you will know.